Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can print the contact list of your AOL Mail contacts. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and open AOL Mail's official site. After that, you must log into your account. If you don't have your account, you can sign up for AOL Mail now and log in. After that, you will see this type of interface. Now, what you need to do is go to your contacts. You can see contacts over here right under views. So if this is hidden, just go ahead and click on show and you can find contacts. After you find contacts, you can see all this three dots. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can see print all over here. If you want to export these all contacts to CSV file, you can do this as well. And you can also import the CSV file, and your imports of the previous account will also be loaded over here. But in case of our print all, you can see the print option over here. Go ahead and click on print all and you can see that your contacts has been here on the print page. Now you can select the copy, select your printer, which is over here, and you can go ahead and select the printer. Scroll a bit down and select the number of pages from here, and you can see all pages should be done here, because if you want to print all of your contacts, you should print all. The color black and white if you want, or color, or else you can just go ahead and choose the default one and you can just click on print. And after you click print, make sure you do have your printer and it is steady. Then you can easily print your things from our AOL. So this is how you can easily print your contacts from AOL Mail. All you need to do is find your contacts, which is over here, right click on the three dots, click on print all, and then it will be loaded here on the print screen. Go ahead and click on print after making sure your printer is connected, and there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.